How to make life better. Improving your life involves focusing on several key areas. Self care. Prioritize your physical and mental well being through regular exercise, healthy eating, sufficient sleep, and stress management techniques. Personal growth. Set goals, learn new skills, and challenge yourself regularly to grow and develop as an individual. Positive relationships. Cultivate meaningful connections with friends, family, and colleagues, and invest time in nurturing those relationships. Work life balance. Find a balance between work, leisure, and relaxation to avoid burnout and maintain overall satisfaction. Gratitude. Practice gratitude daily by acknowledging the good things in your life, which can improve your mood and outlook. Contribution. Give back to your community or society in some way, whether through volunteering, mentoring, or supporting causes you believe in.